It almost like you are turning trash into treasures. Good for the planet, good for business, and good for the soul. So let's talk about we are diving to the new world. Every recycled bottle saves raw materials, energy, and reduces pollution. It cuts down plastic waste spilling in ocean and landfills. Glass bottles, when recycled, can be reused endlessly without losing quality. Customers today are drawn to eco-friendly brands. Recycling gives your business a powerful, positive image. How to grow a business with it? Sale crafts, turn bottle into vases, lamps, jars, and decorative pieces. Eco packaging. Use recycled bottles for juices, oil, perfumes, or handmade products. Workshop. Host bottles, recycling, DIY classes. People love experience. Online store Instagram shop. Showcase unique designs and sell worldwide. Collaborations. Partner with cafes, florists, or even planners who need sustainable decor. How designs help the mindset. How designs help the mindset. Creative bottle crafts can be therapeutic. Painting, cutting, decorating bottles reduce stress and boost focus. Designing something beautiful from waste trains the brains to see value in overlooked places. A recycle craft corner at home or office spreads positivity and eco consciousness. How to make bottle beautiful. Paint a patterns, acrylic paints, spray paints, or mandala designs. Wrap, jute rope, macrame, ribbons, or lace. Lighting, add fairy lights inside for instant magic. Utility, cut bottles into planter soap dispensers or storage jars. Theme based, seasonal Christmas ornaments, cultural hand painted motifs, or modern minimalist styles. Hope you like these ideas and designs. You can grow your business with it. You can take your business in a higher position with it with these steps. Hope you like that all designs and ideas. If you like the video, follow for more. Now let's talk about environmental shield. Every single bottle recycled means one less piece of plastic choking marine life or filling landfills. Imagine if millions did it. It's like an individual army cleaning the planet. Energy saver. Producing a new glass bottles from raw materials uses 30% of energy than recycling an old one. That energy saved can power homes, schools, even industries. Carbon cut. Recycling bottles lower greenhouse gases. Business that go eco-friendly can advertise. These customers love seeing numbers like we saved 500 kg of CO2 this month. Circular economy. Instead of use the throw, bottles keep circulating, making the business sustainable long terms. Growing a business with bottle recycling. Bottle, flower vases, candle stands, jewelry holders, cat bottle serving glasses, storage jars, lamps, painted bottles, festival decor, corporate gifts, wedding giveaway. Brand identity. Position yourself as eco-conscious. This builds trust and attracts eco-loving customers. Use storytelling. This lamp was once a soda